Hello everyone, this is Kevin from 2N Solutions. Snow-covered terrestrial mountains in Pluto 2? Here is the scientific research as following. Years ago, the New Horizons space probe found eye-catching snow-capped mountain on Pluto, which is a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt, a circumstellar disk in the outer solar system. These snow-covered mountains are very similar to those on Earth. Such a scenery has never before been detected elsewhere in the solar system. By the way, the atmosphere temperature profile on two planets are opposite. One planet, Earth, reduced at altitude, and another, Pluto, increased with respect to solar radiation effect. An international team includes Centre National de la Recherche Scientifique (CNRS) explained the origin of ice. This snow on Pluto mountain summit is a composite of frozen methane condensation from abundant methane gases in the atmosphere. However, methane-rich ice does not exist in the lower altitude. Those result by simulating the Pluto Global Climate Model and the satellite observation of a multispectral visible imaging camera and the spectral imaging, the linear external imaging spectral array instrument. This numerical model, including volatile exchange between surface ice and the atmosphere gas, transport and turbulent mixing of methane gas in the atmosphere, and the implicit scheme for the formation of a methane cloud. The long-range reconnaissance image instrument on board New Horizons show the presence of a bright deposit, and the multispectral visible image camera reveal it consists of methane, CH4. Look at the figure. The yellow box indicates the study area in this research paper. It shows how methane-rich ice-covered ridges in Pluto are similar to snow-covered Alps mountain on Earth. Observations from multispectral band show red correspond to methane-rich ice and green-blue to the nitrogen-rich ice contain methane. It is evidence of a methane ice forming on top of this mountain in Pluto based on the highest spatial resolution spectral image of a linear echelon imaging spectral array LEISA instrument along with a new digital elevation model. Next, in the right picture, the spectral of methane ice have a medium strong absorption band in the wavelengths 1.62 to 1.7 micrometers and strong absorption band in the wavelengths of 2.3 to 2.33 micrometers. The former correspond to blue in the left figure and the latter corresponding to red areas. In summary, also explain lower methane CH4 near surface and the high contents and the higher altitude in equatorial atmosphere in Pluto is because of consequence of a methane cloud formation with a complete different mechanism from snow-capped mountain on the Earth. If you want to see the detail including research method, please check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Please don't forget to click subscribe and hit button. Have a wonderful weekend and bye for now.